Ndị Igbo ekene m unu. Ọ ga-adịrị ndị Igbo niile na mma. Yes, it shall be well with you, my beloved brothers and sisters. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, depending where you are watching me from. I am His Royal Majesty, Ozo Akajiófòr Igbo II, Ozo Ementa Emimo. And I was known as Don Prince, Sampe Master, and I'm a Biafran musician. Thank you so much. I just want to let my people know that the video that is circulating loud, which is Don Prince Prophecy 2017, I am the one that gave the dream. I am the one that had the dream, and I am the one that you people are watching, because many people have been saying that Don Prince is dead. I have received several calls. I have received several messages. Many people asking me, Akajiófòr, many people are saying that you are dead. Some says that you are in prison, that you are jailed by Nigeria government. I am not jailed, and I am still alive. I am His Royal Majesty, Ozo Akajiófòr II of Igbo land, Ozo Ementa Emimo, Nkembo n'ala Igbo niile. I say, may God bless each and every one of you. Sampe for you. Sampe.